Hey guys, Corey here. I'm about to install the Fan-Tastic vent fan from Dometic. I've gone ahead and done a little prep work ahead of time. I have a drop cloth down below here so that metal shavings won't go all over the inside of the van. I've gone ahead and marked out a 14 by 14 square with Sharpie and then tape to protect the paint. And I've also pre-drilled holes in each corner just to give myself a good starting point for the body saw. With the body saw, I'm going to use a 30 tooth per inch blade to make it nice and smooth and hopefully keep vibration down. So here we go.